Hey, what's going on? It's Dominic Daniels coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. And today I wanted to do a short video for you guys out here. And this video is going to be going towards the newbies out there that people are trying to find something that they want to make a little extra money online and do something different and start better in their lives and going in a different direction. Now, I know there's been a lot of people out there, and I know my econ has been exploding and it's been everywhere, and I know a lot of people seen it, and a lot of people have heard about it. But for the newbies and the people that haven't heard about my econ, this is one of the best products that they have on the internet right now. And like I said, and that's in my opinion. I can't, that's just what I think, and I'm gonna stand by it. And I will never put my name on anything that I didn't believe in, because anything that you stand behind is your brand. Anything that you're promoting, anything that you put out there, that you're putting your name behind it. And I don't jeopardize that for nobody. Okay. And going forward. Now, with this my econ, this is one of the biggest things that I have seen on this internet in a while. And I've been on the internet for a while. I've been here for at least 5 or 6 years, right? And the thing is that I know a lot of people out there don't understand the masses and understand how to promote and understand how to get their business to the next level. And they say that it's the system, or their leaders are not training them, or whatever the case may be. But at the end of the day, you have to follow the tools that your leader gives you, and go by the book. And it takes time to be successful in this business. It doesn't happen overnight. I know a lot of people show a lot, the Ferraris, and they doing videos flashing a bunch of money in your face, and hey, come join me over here, I can show you how to do this, and the fancy houses and all that. Okay, I'm not here to do all that, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you seen it, and I know that a lot of people have ran far away from that, because they don't, that's not their cup of tea, and they don't want to get involved with anything, because I know sometimes it looks like people are getting scammed, or whatever the case may be. Now, I'm here to show you something that is very powerful that everybody needs. Now, this is an actual product. This is something that everybody needs in their life. Unless you just know how to manage your money, unless you have that part of your life down to the T, and you have everything in place, then this may not be for you. But for the other people out there that don't know how to manage their money, the people that are living paycheck to paycheck, the people that want to gain a little bit of extra money back, on their paychecks or whatever, to run their household, or be able to have some money to invest in something else, to try to make a little money to bring in their household. This right here is the perfect thing for you, because with this system, with my econ, what they have is so powerful that I wish I could have been involved in this since day one when it first came out. I wish I would have known about it. Now, this business has been around for 13 long years, so that's why I trust it, because I know there's a lot of businesses out there online that's come and gone, and but this company's been here for 13 long years, and so their platform is great. It's awesome. Everything back here is very good. You can use it. It's knowledgeable. Everything is broke down to the T, and it shows you exactly step by step how to put more money in your pocket. Now, I can go off and show you the comp plan, and I can show you, oh, you got to go recruit here and get these people involved here, and show you all of that. I could do that, but I'm not here to do that. I'm here to show you right now. As soon as you click the link below and join my team and get involved with me, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a pay raise in your job today. You'll have an immediate pay raise at your job today. Now, how powerful is that? You did nothing. All you did was you spent your $47 to get involved with this company, and you come in here, you go to the training, you watch exactly what's going on, and we're going to show you exactly how to put hundreds of dollars in your pocket on your paycheck every time you get paid, right out of the gate. No strings attached. No hidden secrets, no upsells, no hey, you gotta buy this or hey, you gotta buy that. No. Once you get involved with me today, we're gonna show you step by step how to get an instant raise on your paycheck before you do anything with the business. Anything with the business, you're going to get an instant pay raise at your current job that you work. No matter where you work, as long as you have a job and you have a W-4 and a W-2 form, we can help you out. And we can help you be able to use this business as leverage to grow your network. How powerful is that? How powerful is that? If you can't see the power in that, then maybe this ain't for you. Hey, you can go ahead and skip the video and go to the next video or do whatever it is that you need to do. But those of you that are listening, those of you that want to get involved, those of you that want to take immediate action, this is powerful. I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anything like this. And what got me so excited is because, I was out and, me and my wife was having a discussion, right? And she wanted to get involved with my Econ because she seen me out here, promoting and doing videos and doing things of that nature. And so she was like, I want to see what this business is about because, she's been seeing it on her Facebook page and hearing people talk about it. So she wanted to get involved and just kind of see what's going on, and how this thing works. Okay. So she gets involved with this business, and the first thing she does, she said, hey, I'm gonna go in our office, I'm gonna go sit down and I'm gonna learn this business because she was excited. She took action, immediate action. She wanted to see what it was about. She got here, broke down all the videos, watched everything step by step, and applied that to her paycheck. Applied everything that's back here in this back office. She applied it to her paycheck. And guess what? She got an instant $300 raise on her paycheck every 2 weeks. So grand total of an extra $613.25 extra that she puts back in her pocket. Every 2 weeks. Well, every month, I'm sorry. Every month. So that's extra money coming into the household. You see what I'm saying? And if you're married or you have boyfriend, whatever the case may be, just look at the power that both of y'all can get involved in this and help bring extra income while you're still learning the business. So after you get involved with that and you get that extra money coming in, you wasn't seeing it anyway. So that money's going to help you grow your business. If that makes sense. So now there's no more excuses to say, oh, I don't have the $47. I don't make enough, or that's too much. I can't afford to pay $35 a month. That's too much going on. I can't afford it. Now you're freeing up money. Now you have no choice. Now you can afford it. Now you can afford the business. And on top of that, you can use this business to grow your financial wealth in the long run. Okay? Now, how powerful is that? That's step number one. That's the very first thing that you do, and get started with that. Then on top of that, as your money's getting saved and you're bringing more money home, and just say, for instance, your credit is not up to par and you need to boost your credit because you want to get a new house, or you want to get a new car, or you just want to build your credit to save you money in the long run. Bam, it's all right here. You tap into that. You go over there, you go right here to this quick start presentation. Go ahead and take care of your W-4 stuff for your job. Get that together, and as soon as you get your first paycheck and you see that money freed up, then you can say, okay, now it's time for me to go over here and start building my credit. Now I can go over here and start building my credit with the extra money that I got coming in. We have videos on that to show you how to build your credit. So now you see the effect of this business, and you're not doing anything. You're not recruiting people. You're not pushing the business out there. You're taking care of yourself first. And now when you're learning this business, then you start learning all the tools and start getting the Facebook trainings and start coming to the lives that we do every Thursday. Start coming to the Sunday night hangouts to start seeing how the business is growing, to give you a mindset to be able to explode and take your business to the next level. But don't worry about all that stuff. You worry about yourself first. Get your money in the beginning. Go in here. Go right here to this quick presentation. Soon as you go in here in the back office, go right over there. Go to your W-4s. They're going to show you exactly step by step how to do it. Apply that. Then once you get paid at your job and that money comes in, because you're going to see it and you're going to be like, you're going to be blown away. Like, oh, I got an extra couple of dollars coming in. Then you can use that money. If your credit is not up to par, use a portion of that to help you build your credit. So now you're getting extra money from your job. Now you're building your credit. Now, how powerful is that? Because now your platform is starting to go up, because now you're putting a little bit more money in your pocket. Now your credit score is going up. Now with your credit score going up, it's going to be able to save you in the long run. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of people out here, they want their own business. They want to work for themselves. They're tired of working for the man. They want to get out here and do something different. But what's holding them back? I don't have any money to do anything. I don't have the credit. I can't go walk in the bank and get a loan for $100,000 to $200,000 to be able to get into a business. You getting all of that right here. Look at all the value that you're getting for $35 a month. How could you not be all over this? This is mind blowing. Once I seen this, and this is something that everybody needs in the world, especially people who's living paycheck to paycheck. So somebody comes to you right now and says, hey, you know, when you be at work and I'm sure a lot of you come home, or I'm sure a lot of you be at work and you had that long day and you come home and you like, man, they've been running me. They've been running me all over the place, man. They need to give me a raise. They giving me all this stuff to do and I can't get it done in the time that it's allowed it. And then when I go back to work the next day, they got something to say and I'm doing all this work and I ain't getting a raise. This is an instant raise for you guys right off the bat before you do anything. That's why it's so powerful. So the number one thing is when people fail at doing anything online, it's because they don't take the time to put into their selves first. They think about trying to get to the money as quick as possible. Give it time. Let yourself sit down, bottle down, get in front of the computer or on your smartphone and learn the business. Learn the business. Get your money first. Get your paychecks together first. Get that income coming in. Then you work on your credit. If your credit's not up to par, then you can start maneuvering to start expanding your business. Because once you do it, look at the potential you have. Now you're a walking billboard, because once you do it, then you can show everybody else how to do it. You can show everybody else how to do it just off of that. That could be your selling point to bring people into this business. Even at your job, even just people that you encounter with. You can just have those little bitty conversations with them and say, hey, look, I can help you get some more money on your paycheck if you want to come over here and come over here and I can show you how to do it. You see what I'm saying? The power for this is powerful. It's mind blowing, and I don't understand why y'all are not running to this opportunity. I have no clue still to this day, but I'm telling you, this is power. This is something that you need. This ain't something to hey, well, tomorrow you're gonna make $1 million, this, that, whatever the case may be. No, this is education that you need to run your business. Okay, now that's all I got for you today. I'll get back to you on a later video. This Dominic Daniels coming to you from Self-Made Millionaire Success Group. I'm going to leave everything down in the description in the video. I'll holler at you guys later.